Hi everybody, my name is Jo Edwards and I am the illustrator for Kalamata's Kitchen, and this is my son Jude.
Hello.
He's 9 and he is going to draw with me today. We're going to show you how to draw Kalamata step by step. And the point today is just to have fun. It is not to get it right or for it to be great or perfect. It is just to have fun. And you don't need anything fancy, just we're using Sharpies. You can use a pencil and some printer paper or some color pencils or crayons or whatever you have around. And you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. So Kalamata has these sort of almond shaped eyes. So they're kind of like, think of a square but with rounded edges. Find the middle of your paper, maybe on the upper half, and then you can start with the left eye. I usually draw from left to right. And kind of like an upside down U with more square edges, and then a regular U. And because she has thick eyelashes, we're gonna emphasize those with just a thicker lash line on top there, and it's actually gonna even come down further. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just outline those eyes and then do the lash line. Okay. So then now we have the whites of her eyes. We're gonna do the eyeballs. So just a little tiny C right there, backwards C, eyeballs, on each eye, right just sort of in the middle from the lashes down. And then we're gonna connect it all the way around like that, all the way around like that. And you can go ahead and fill them in, or you can fill them in later when we do shading. But we're gonna go ahead and fill these in.
And remember, you can pause the video if you need more time shading in.
Yeah, good point, Jude. Thank you. Okay, so Kalamata's nose is just like all of our noses, right between our eyes. So we're gonna start right here, just above the lash line, and come down and do her little squiggly nose there, just between her eyes. And then we can start with the shape of her face. So her eyes sort of fall between her ears. So we're gonna just make a dot right above her eye on this side and do a big C. And then right above her eye on this side and do a backwards C. Oh, that looks so great, Jude. And then in her ear, we're gonna do a little ear definition in there so she can hear you. Okay, and then we're gonna connect our ears with a little, like a shallow U underneath, just like that. And now you're starting to see some Cal. She is going to be happy today, so we're gonna do a little half moon on either side of her face. You can do it over here, she can be smirking over here, or in the middle. I'm gonna do it on the left and just do a little half moon, a little happy cow. Okay, and now we're gonna do her eyebrows. So just about a ½ inch above her eye, we're gonna do a backward C here and a forward C here. Can we do that?
Okay.
You get it? Okay, and then take that bottom part of the C and do a straight line about this, just a little further than her eyeball, right? And then we're gonna connect them with like an arch. And if you wanna fill those in, you can go ahead and fill those in too. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, I love it, Jude. Okay, and then once you have those filled in, you can, right about on either side of her eyebrow, you can connect them with an upside down V. And that's her hairline. Looking like Cal now, that's right. Okay, and then obviously Cal has the best, biggest hair ever, as you can see. behind us. It's almost as big as your hair today, Jude.
What? You can mess my hair up and make it still look good.
Oh boy. Okay. All right. So if you start just above her ear, maybe a little bit to the side of her ear, and do an upside down sort of rainbow above her head, like this. And not an upside down rainbow, I guess a right side up rainbow. There we go. And then have fun with this part. She's got big curls. However you like to draw big curls, I like to draw them. I go little C's and back, and then humps, and then down, up. You can even do little stray hairs if you want. And we are going to come around there, and then we are going to do the same thing on this side. Just loads of luscious hair and curls. Oh, Jude, that looks so good. I love it.
Do some like free stray hair like sticking out from her head.
Okay, I like it.
Not head, like other hair.
So you can you can come in and keep doing hair, but don't bring it all the way in because we're gonna do her body. You're gonna do 2 little lines under her head. That is her neck.
Her hair looks like me after I take a long nap.
Yeah, me too. Okay. And then at the bottom of these 2 lines, you're going to do a straight line. Okay. And then you're going to take this beat, that's her neck and her shoulders. You're going to come down and do an arm on either side like this. And you're going to do little lines here and here. And then you're going to do an upside down V into sort of a belled shirt. And you can connect those 2 lines after. And you know what we have to do to finish off her hair? On either side of Kalamata's eyebrows, there's a little squiggly dangle of hair coming down, and we can connect it there. There we go. Kind of like a little wiggly S. And then now we can connect her hair to the sides of her shirt. Sort of almost as if it's like going behind her. Okay, and we can play with that hair however we want. And now it's time to do her hands, and just think 5 spread out fingers, not too pointy, with a little bit of a curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect it back to the sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking good. Okay. Now we're going to do her legs. You're going to come down at an angle from her shirt, about like that. All right. Now we're going to do our little lines there on either side. Okay. And then the upside down V. All right. And now from each side of her pants, we're going to do 2 little lines. And we're actually going to make the inside line longer, like that. Okay, did you get some marker on the table? That's okay. You can put another piece of paper underneath if you're using Sharpie so it doesn't bleed through.
Yeah, it bled through, so don't do that. I mean, do that, but okay.
Okay. Well, so then we're going to connect those 2 lines with a sideways V, just like this. And those are her shoes. All right. So now Jude and I are going to speed things up and shade it in. You can color her shirt, her clothes, her shoes, whichever color you want. And we'll be right back. Okay, that was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed making your drawings. This is my other son, Ollie. He is 7, and he is going to help with our next video. But first, Jude and I want to show you our drawings. You ready?
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Yay! That was so much fun. I hope you guys are able to do this a couple times and really enjoy it. You can play with their colors or your materials. And I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.